In today's video, I'll show you how to take handwritten notes in Evernote so you can sketch ideas, draw diagrams, and keep everything organized digitally in one place. How to take handwritten notes on Evernote. We'll walk through this using the Evernote desktop app, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create quick sketches or handwritten notes right inside your digital notebooks. This is really handy if you like to think on paper, but still want everything stored and searchable in one place. First, go ahead and open the Evernote desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is fully loaded so you can see your notebooks and notes on the main screen. If you don't already have Evernote installed, you'll need to download it from the official Evernote website and log into your account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the section where you usually create a new note. You should see a plus icon that's used to add a new note. Right beside that plus button, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. This 3-dot menu is where Evernote hides extra options that aren't visible by default. Click on those 3 dots next to the plus button. When you click it, a list of different note types and tools will appear. From this menu, you want to look for and select the option called Sketch. This is the feature that allows you to create a handwritten or drawn note instead of just typing. As soon as you choose Sketch, Evernote will open a blank drawing area. Here you can write or draw using either your mouse, a trackpad, or a stylus if you're using a device that supports it. Take a moment to get comfortable with how it feels. Writing with a mouse can be a bit awkward, so if you have a stylus or a touchscreen, that will usually give you better control and more natural handwriting. In the sketch area, try writing a short title, drawing a quick diagram, or sketching out some ideas. You can use this space just like you would a small notepad, but with the advantage of having it saved right inside Evernote. If needed, you can experiment with pen sizes or colors, depending on which tools are available in your version of the app. When you're happy with what you've written or drawn, look to the top right corner of the sketch window and click the Done button. This saves your sketch directly into a new note. From here, you can add typed text above or below your drawing, organize it into notebooks, and access it from any device where you use Evernote. That's it. You can now create handwritten notes in Evernote and combine them with your digital notes for a more flexible and organized workflow.